Hey guys, my name is Sandesh Rao. I'm the VP for Autonomous Health, and I'm actually responsible for all the artificial intelligence and machine learning efforts behind the Autonomous Database Cloud Services. Now, as everybody knows that artificial intelligence and machine learning is kind of a really hot topic. So what does that really mean for us? About a couple of years ago, when we were building the autonomous services, we kind of realized that we need to work with a lot of data that comes out of these systems. And the goal was basically to operate on two different kinds of data, log data as well as metric data. The goal is to work on this data so that we can actually run the appropriate machine learning algorithms or neural networks on them for solving different kinds of use cases. We decided to embark on an effort to use anomaly detection to find faults, to basically make use of time series decomposition, to be able to find events, what's the right time to basically perform maintenance, what's the right time to perform backups, what's the right time to look at a disk failure, when to predict a node is going to crash. All of these efforts were basically sponsored by looking at different kinds of data and using artificial intelligence and machine learning internally within the autonomous cloud services to be able to automate as many of these functions as possible. Now, to all those DBAs and developers who are interested in this space, as I saw today in Sangam, there's a lot of interest around this area. I have a couple of messages for them. Artificial intelligence and machine learning can be categorized into three different areas. The first is people who are PhDs and those kind of people who want to actually understand the algorithms and kind of want to go into details of the modeling, apply optimization functions, and check what the fitment of these models are, and want to continuously build models and solve different kinds of problems. The second category of people are people who just understand what these algorithms do. They're not PhDs, they do not understand the internals of this stuff, and all they want to do is just want to build new models using existing algorithms exposed through packages and platforms that are available today pretty much in the open source domain. The third category of people who want to make use of the models that we build within ours. So all the collective knowledge of Oracle and everything that we have from the Autonomous Database division, they can be exported as an applied machine learning model. And this is something that DBAs and developers at customer sites can consume without actually having to understand the internals of machine learning or algorithms or any of that sort of stuff. So that space is called applied machine learning. My team focuses on implementing all these technologies in the Autonomous Database Cloud Services, as well as we're also responsible for exporting some of this content into tools that DBAs and developers can take advantage of within the Oracle database ecosystem, which is either on-premise or Exadata Cloud at customer or any such similar kind of system. My message to you guys is artificial intelligence and machine learning is an incredibly interesting space at this point. It is based on tremendous amounts of data that are currently available within the Oracle ecosystem. The DBAs and developers have access to all of this data, and there's a lot of interesting things that can be done with this data. I'm encouraging the DBA and developer community to go further into the data science space, to be able to look at this data and be able to do some interesting stuff with it, as well as we could actually leverage the applied machine learning tools that we have built under the Trace File Analyzer banner. We release these tools as RPMs and standalone installs that customers can download and install on their systems to perform anomaly detection, time series decomposition, finding dynamic maintenance windows, and several other such kinds of use cases. So machine learning is exciting. We're completely invested into it as the Oracle Autonomous Database team, and we use this to automate a significant number of functions that we perform. Thank you for listening.